Hey everybody, Patty Ann here. I am so excited about what we're going to do this afternoon with the Digi Chicks. As you can see on your screen, this is the parable or the stamp set that they're going to use. Now remember, it's a Digi stamp set. So they're going to show you tons of ways you can use these stamps with your cutting machine that you have. The wonderful thing about these is, well, let me tell you this. I recently watched a YouTube video where a lady was showing how to do something with a dinosaur stamp set. Well, the stamp set itself cost $21. And then the dies to cut the dinosaurs and the little pieces, like what we have in the parables, was $35. Okay, add that together and you have $56 plus tax to get one stamp set. Here with the Digi set, you only spend $9. And by the way, everything on Dina's site right now is 15% off. I'll have a link for you down below. I'm not affiliated with Dina. I just love her stuff and I like to promote her stuff because I think it's super cute and will save you and me a lot of money. So I hope you'll join us today to see what the Digi Chicks make with this stamp set. I think we're really going to be in for some fun. And by the way, if you do like doing stamps, maybe you like using Copic markers, perfect Digi stamps. Maybe you like using watercolors, perfect for Digi stamps. Maybe you like making cards, perfect for Digi stamps. Hey, maybe you like making things that are larger than your mat. Again, perfect for Digi stamps because you're not limited to the size that little stamp comes in. You can create it any size you want, smaller or larger, to meet your needs. And again, look how much money you'll save because you don't need to buy the die cuts, assuming that you have a Cricut, Cricut Explorer Air, Cricut Maker, Scanncut, Cameo, Portrait, any of those machines. You can use Digi stamps. And we can't wait to show you this afternoon at 3 p.m. Eastern Time what the girls, the Digi Chicks, are going to come up with. See you then.